So I am animating this shape layer in After Effects, and I want the pivot point, which is this circle here, to be in the center of the shape. And you can see here, if I move my shape, it's not. The pivot point is not centered. Another way to test this would be to rotate your shape layer, and you can see it's rotating around that center point there. Sometimes this can be what you want. You don't always want a centered pivot, but for this case, I want it that way, so I need to fix it. To do that, I just right-click on the layer, go to Transform, and then down to Center Anchor Point in Layer Content. Once you do that, it'll be centered. You can see I have a keyframe over here, so I need to delete that. And now it is centered. So if I go a little bit forward my timeline and move my point, it's perfect and it remains centered. And then also, just to test, I can rotate it and it is rotating around that center point just like I wanted it. So that's it. I hope this helped you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.